Yes.
Yesterday we learnt the structures of all present tense. Now past tense. Let's see. Past tense. Past tense has four kinds: simple past, past continuous, past perfect, and past perfect continuous. Simple past structure is subject, verb to object. Past continuous subject, the helping verbs was or were, verb for object. Here verb for is nothing but v1 ing. We can understand easily. Perfect, perfect subject, helping verb had, and verb 3 object. Perfect continuous subject had, been, verb 4 object. Let's move to future. Future tense. Future tense also has four kinds: simple future, future perfect, future perfect continuous. The structure of simple future or future simple: subject, auxiliary, will, verb 1 object. There is no confusion using will here, because in old grammar shall was used, shall, but in modern grammar will only. Let's see. Continuous. Future continuous subject will be verb 4 object. Future perfect subject will have verb 3 object. Next, perfect continuous. Future perfect continuous subject will have been, verb 4 object. Now we are going to discuss about variations among all tenses. Or usage of all tenses. Let's come to tense wise. Present simple. Present simple is used to tell about the status or state of the subject in present. And it is used to tell about habits, and it is used for telling natural or habitual actions. The fourth one, general truths. General truths. For general truths also we use present tense. Let's see. I'm a boy. Yeah, am is verb 1. Don't get any confusion using am as verb 1, because you know the verb forms of B forms. Verb 1, let's see, verb 1, verb 2, verb 3 and verb 4. Let's see here. Am is verb 1, past tense is verb 2 was, and verb 3 is been, verb 4 is being. Let's come to is. Past tense was, past it means V2, V3 been, V4 being. Or verb 1, verb 2, been, verb 3, being, verb 4. B forms. Here am is used as verb 1 because remember one thing, after any of these three, V4 is used, it is nothing but V1 ing used, then only it is a helping verb. For example, I am reading a paper or whatever. Here am is not verb 1 because here verb 1 ing given, so it's only helping verb. In the case of given verb 4, after am or is or are, any verb 4 is there or V1 ing is there, absolutely these are any of these is called helping verb only. But in the case of given only, am individually without having any verb 1 ing or verb 4, absolutely we should say it's verb 1. In the case of given, is also verb 1, are also verb 1. Above, I am a boy, the status of the speaker is in present, for example. And let's come to a small thing here, daily activities. Difference between daily activity and habits. Let's see. It's a status or state of the subject. Let's see. I play football. It's a kind of habit, only habit. But let's see, I go to school or he goes to school. These are common for certain age to school. So it's a daily activity. Let's come to natural things or habitual actions or nothing but general truths. These are same. Cow gives milk. It's the nature of cow to give or giving milk. Remember, it is universal word cow. Cow means the sort of that animal. Exactly, it gives milk. Suppose we write the cow gives milk. It's absolutely, it means the word belongs to only one cow. Instead of the A is there, it also belongs to one animal only. But universally, cow means universally the sort of that animal gives milk. It's a habitual action or natural or general truth. So present simple is used to tell about the status or state of subject. One example given. Habits or daily activities, those are given. General truths or habitual actions, what are they? Given according to nature, that's also given. Let's move to present continuous. Present continuous is used for going actions in present. It is used for going actions. Simply we say an action which is going before our eyes. We state that, or we tell it about the situation in the condition or in the statement according to following the structure: subject, am or, is or verb for, object. There is no particularity mentioning plus, minus, into. It's not any other subject. For our convenience, we use. Yes, let's see. We know very well about am, is, or using. Let's see. Pronouns we know very well. I, we, they, you. For all these or any of these pronouns, we use here am or are. But he, she, it and a singular noun is there, we use here is. You know very well, especially am is used for I only, I. The rest which are given here, we, they, you, we use are. For he or she or it or singular noun, we use is. Let's see going actions. I am teaching English grammar because it's going now. Let's see second one. You are watching online classes. It's also going now. Some of you are noting examples of tenses. Suppose we indicate any one of you in single. He is writing English grammar. Or while you are watching online classes, suppose your little sister is there. About her, let's see. My sister is watching TV while you are watching online classes. These are examples of present continuous which tells about going actions.